Punk. Okay, guys, let's see who's at the bad day of catwalk. Can we get something different, Boomerang? Lord mercy. Leo the Lion from Gene Ditch. Okay, you gotta be kidding me. The bowling alley cat? Boomerang, I like this episode, but get something different. It's current since 1942. You gotta wait for 1948. This is the final episode to use the 1942 theme MGM Cartoons logo, as well as the logo as well. See you guys after the one guy, which is Bicycle in Water, Trey's favorite Gene short. If not, it's gonna be a fucking Calypso cat. Because Boomerang, you need to get back Trey's favorite Junior short called Bicycle in Water. Anyways, guys, see you guys in the next episode. Coming up.